Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this BMW iX3 80kWh Premier Edition. This vehicle is an electric with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in a Sophisto grey metallic. To start off with, then you have your adaptive LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 20-inch aero wheel style alloy wheels with a jet black finish, really complementing against the Sophisto grey exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire for any journey. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electronic boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. This vehicle comes supplied with a wall box charging cable, along with a 3-pin plug charging cable as well. As this vehicle is an electronic vehicle, it has a range of up to 282 miles. On a 3-pin plug it can take up to 35 hours to charge, and on a 7kW charger up to 12 hours. With a rapid charge from 20% to 80% on a 50kW charger it can take up to 60 minutes. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the black Vinasca leather. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that 5th passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system. Once again, you can find that lovely upholstery providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 77,088 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your BMW infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with your Bluetooth connection, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have a navigation system which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route. Along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto supported via a USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. You also have a rear view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. This has been a presentation on the BMW iX3 80kWh Premier Edition that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.